The easy answer is to integrate it more into the curriculum, but we have to start somewhere. Maybe just have a casual talk about sustainability.
Like it would be very easy to implement sustainability in, for example, English. Very easy to talk about that as a subject.
For example, in chemistry, you can talk about how you can like compost your food waste and make like biogas out of it. Like just include it in every subject in some other way. So it's a normal like thing to talk about.
If you promote like a sustainable lifestyle in the classroom environment, that reaches to everyone, and then it's much more accessible for everyone to continue with the sustainable lifestyle.
And then we could have some meetings and some TV shows or movies about it.
This education can start whenever. It should start as early as possible. It can be easy things as recycling, but usually that's kind of where it stops. But it's much more than just recycling, and it should be implemented in everything, in all parts of education.